हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज चंदन सिंह एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। गाइस, स्पोकन इंग्लिश की सीरीज है और आज की इस सीरीज में मतलब इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ कि हम कैसे किसी से क्वेश्चन करेंगे और कैसे उसका जवाब होगा। कोई पार्टनर नहीं है घर पर, तो मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर तैयार किए हैं। ये मैं आपको अपने टेलीग्राम चैनल पर डाल दूंगा जिसका नाम है इंग्लिश विद चंदन, वहां से आप ले लीजिएगा। अब एक एक क्वेश्चन को आपको क्या करना है, अपने आप से पूछना है, क्योंकि पार्टनर नहीं है आपके पास, और खुद उसका जवाब देने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है जो नियम बताए गए हैं उसके अनुसार। तो चलिए करके दिखाता हूं। कई बार होता है कि जवाब सिर्फ एक लाइन का नहीं हो सकता, जवाब कई लाइन का हो जाता है। तो चलिए करके देखते हैं, शुरू करते हैं। हाय, हाउ आर यू? आई एम गुड, थैंक यू। एट व्हाट टाइम डू यू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग? सी, इट्स नॉट फिक्स्ड एट व्हाट टाइम आई गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग। एक्चुअली whenever I sleep at 1 o'clock at night or 2 o'clock at night, then I get up around 7 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. It happens. And whenever I go to bed around 10 o'clock at night, then I get up around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. So it's not fixed. But generally, I like to and I want to get up around 5 o'clock in the morning. How do you spend your day? See, the question how I spend my day, actually there is nothing fixed. The thing is that we are under lockdown, and when I had my institute, that time it was fixed that yes, I had to go to institute that time. There was a particular timing to reach my institute. But these days what happens, I get up in the morning, whatever time is suitable after taking my whole span of sleep, maybe around 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Whenever I get up in the morning, after that I get fresh, I take my breakfast. After taking breakfast, I generally try to shoot videos for YouTube, and when I shoot the videos, then I have to edit those videos, then I have to read the Hindu newspaper, like sometimes editorial and sometimes other articles too. Then I have to edit that and upload on YouTube. So there are couple of things, couple of tasks which I am bound to do, I have to do. So this is how I spend my day. And after that, whenever I get time, I spend some time with my son, and I try to make tea. This is how I spend my whole day. Do you take exercise? Exercise. See, if I talk about exercise, I would say that yeah, sometimes I take exercise, but I'm not regular. The thing is that whenever I decide to start doing workout and I think that yes, I will keep on doing this, I don't know what happens to me, I just become reluctant. So whenever I feel like taking exercise, I do. I can't say that I don't have time. During this lockdown period, I have time, but like one day I do exercise, the next day I think leave it here, we will do tomorrow. So I have become a kind of procrastinator. So I take exercise but not regularly. Don't you get drawn towards six packs? Six packs. I believe there would be so many boys, they would be getting drawn towards six packs. I am one of those. See, whenever I see any boy having six packs and he's showing his body, I also feel that I also must have six packs. But what to do? Whenever I start taking exercise, one day I do in full swing, and next day I think that come on, leave it, let's do tomorrow. So as I am a procrastinator, so I can't say that I can really get six pack, but yeah, I believe that this is the fact that I definitely get drawn towards six packs. Sometimes I see myself in mirror and see my belly. I always feel that yes, one day I will have six packs, but till now I have not got. Do you give time to your son? See, yeah, I can say I give time to my son, but thing is that what exactly happens, I'm telling you, whenever I start doing my work, suppose I'm doing my editing or I'm like going to shoot my videos, that time my son comes to me and says, daddy, come on, let's play, let's do that, and he starts telling his all the stories, and whatever he feels, he wishes, he starts telling me. So that time it's very tough to give time. So the thing is that, as I told you that I have to shoot videos, I have to edit videos and upload videos. It takes so much time, due to which I am not able to give proper time. The amount of time he wants from me, I am not able to give him. But definitely whenever I get free, I don't have to do any work, I go outside like in the sense like go out of the room. During this lockdown period I can't go outside, and I try to play with him. I try to give some time and always try to listen to him what he says, but I'm not giving the amount of time which he really wants. Do you have any weakness? Of course I do have a weakness, and I would like to tell you my weakness is basically whenever I feel like doing something, I'm very much interested to do that work. I get absolutely focused, I get engrossed in doing that work. That time, if somebody gives me food, if that time somebody comes to me and somebody wants to talk to me and somebody disturbs me, I don't know how I behave. I become a kind of quarrelsome that time. I just don't want any disturbance. I don't want food. And whether it is night, it is the time to go to bed, I am not able to go to bed until I complete my task. That's a very bad weakness in me, I have noticed. Suppose I am going to edit a video. Sometimes it happens that I shoot the video around 1 o'clock at night. Sometimes I shoot the video around 2 o'clock at night. And after shooting the video, I have to edit that. I have to edit anyhow. I can't leave that, okay, I have shot it, now I will edit tomorrow. No, I don't know why it happens with me. I have to edit, and when I edit, then I have to wait until the video exports. And when the video exports, after that I have to upload the video. So this is what my weakness is basically, I would say. So this is the main weakness of mine. What gives you impetus? What gives me impetus? There are so many things which give me impetus. I'm telling you, whenever I go to attend any party, it could be any party, it could be mostly birthday parties and all, and I see some teenagers dancing there, they dance, and that time I think that they can dance, why can't I dance? Why can't I do those moves what they are going to do, So these things also give me impetus that yes, I have to prove myself. I can also do what they are doing. Though they are teenagers, they think that we the people have grown up and now we can't do those things that they are doing. So I don't want that these teenagers or maybe anyone should look down upon me and the person of my age. So there are so many things which give me impetus. If I find that you have knowledge about certain things, and if I'm sitting there, so I think that I should also have that knowledge. So whenever I feel myself being insulted and I think that I have no idea about certain things, so that situation gives me impetus in order to prove myself and get more and more knowledge. So this is the thing. I get impetus from anything, anywhere. Do you smoke? I don't smoke. The very first thing, straightforward, I should say that I don't smoke. But I am interested in acting, So if I am going to perform a character and that character smokes, and if my director says that yes, you have to do this, you have to smoke, then I will definitely smoke, because I am going to play that character. Though I don't smoke, I don't go to any Beetle kiosk or anywhere and I don't buy any kind of cigarette or any cigarette packet. Yet, if I talk about shooting, definitely I will smoke if my character smokes. Do you dance? Yes, I dance. I don't dance every day, but whenever I feel like dancing, I dance. And I would like to reveal that in 2010, I had a dance institute too. Though I have been teaching English since 2004, yet in 2010, that time I had English Institute, still I thought that let's start dance institute also, So I started one dance institute and I used to teach dance in the morning and I used to teach English in the evening. So that time there were so many students, they joined me, I started teaching them Bollywood, salsa and some kind of stunt and all, like front flip and all. Whatever I knew that time I started teaching. And in order to start a dance institute, first I joined some dance classes. I joined a particular dance institute. There I learned just choreography. I used to sit and watch what is going on. They used to say that, come on, let's do some practice. I said, no. I just want to know about the beats I just want to know that how you the people create these steps, because whatever you do this, whatever you do, that becomes a dance move. So I did not want to mug up the steps, I just wanted that whatever the beat is there, I should be able to create my own moves. So that I observed. I paid there, I think, more than 5,000 rupees. When I thought that yes, I can do that, though I used to practice also, but mostly I focused on, getting those ideas how to make moves. And when I thought that I can do, I started my dance institute, and I kept on teaching dance since 2010 till 2011. For 1 year, I kept on doing that. Which type of movies do you like? See, I mostly like movies related to, investigation type of movies, when investigation is going on. If any murder has taken place or any crime has taken place and some cops are doing investigation. So I like such movies. I also like movies when a person has to prove himself. He has been insulted or she has been insulted, and then the person is proving that yes, I can do this. Such type of movies, cops related movies always attract me. So I watch those movies, and mostly these days I have started watching South Indian movies just because of their actions, the way they shoot the videos and all, they make the movies, their camera action and all. These things attract me. So I like such types of movies. Despite being married, do you get attracted towards any girl? See, it doesn't matter whether you are married or unmarried. It doesn't matter whether you are a girl or boy. You can get attracted towards anyone. It could be any person. If something or someone looks beautiful, then definitely, being a human being, you will get attracted. So it's a common thing. I think it happens with everybody else. So of course, I do get attracted towards, not only towards man, women, also towards the things. Whoever or whichever thing is beautiful, definitely people get attracted. So the answer of this question is yes, I do get attracted towards things and towards other persons. Do you want to become an actor? Yeah, definitely. I don't know why, but I love acting. I want to face camera. I want to perform the characters. Means, I don't know why it happens with me. I always think that, yes, there is an actor in me. And I'm telling you why it happened. When I was in class 7th or maybe 8th, that time I used to go for some shooting. I used to become, part of a crowd. If any music album shooting is going to be done, so in that shooting, I used to be the part of the crowd. So I have done, so many video albums like that. Then I have worked as main lead actor also for some kind of video albums. Though I don't want to reveal those things, but I have faced cameras, So that has really attracted me a lot. I always get drawn towards that. So if I get an opportunity to work and to play some characters, I would love to go for that. I really love acting.